Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I would like to share my thoughts about the center stand. The center stands are a very good feature to have, but they are rarely present as a standard on today's modern bikes. So the Tracer 9 has one, and here are my 4 very good points of having a center stand. The first one, it's doing maintenance and lubing the chain. You just put your bike on a center stand and you can do it very easily. You just roll the rear wheel and you can lube the chain. The same is with changing the oil and so on, because the bike it's stable, the bike it's completely at 90 degrees positioned, and this is just a good thing. The second one, it's about fueling, or let's say refueling your bike on a gas station. When you come to a gas station, you would like to have a full tank there of petrol, and you just put it on a center stand and insert the petrol inside, and you are pretty sure that everything will be inside, so the fuel is gonna be at the top level because the bike will be just at 90 degrees. The third thing, it's about luggage. Putting on the central top box and the panniers, it's a piece of cake, because the bike it's again at 90 degrees and it's stable, and you can just put everything inside very easily. The fourth thing, guys, is just having more stability on a different surfaces. So if you decide to just stop and see something, and even though the surface it's not completely flat, you just put it on a center stand, and the bike it's way more stable than just having it on a side stand. So in my opinion, this is a very good feature to have. And I am sad that nowadays bike just don't have it, but Tracer has, and that's why I'm happy with it. Okay guys, let's see now how to easily put a motorcycle on a center stand. This is not just the case of the Yamaha Tracer 9, but it is more or less the same with all bikes. So what you have to do is that you just consider that both parts of the center stand are on the ground, and then you just press hard with all your weight on the center stand, and with the right hand you just push a tiny bit in the same way, so back, and the bike will go on a center stand. So it is an easy job, as you see. Just trust yourself and put all your weight on your right foot. So if we do it again, you can see that here we have both sides of the center stand on the ground, and then we just step on a center stand with our right leg, and the weight goes on a center stand and it is on. As you see, the bike it's on a center stand. It is very easy to do it when you know how. You just have to be sure that both parts of the center stand are on the ground. You can just help yourself a bit with your right hand, and you grab the rail for the passenger, and it is on. It is very easy, as you see. What about putting it off the center stand? Here you have two possibilities. The first one is to push the bike ahead when you are on the bike, so you should climb the bike like any adventure bike, that it's a taller bike, and just push it hard, and the bike will go off the center stand. The second option is just to push the bike ahead when standing, and you just have to have your right hand on a grab rail for the passenger, and the bike will go off the center stand. It is a very good thing to have the side stand outside when you do it, because you never know. It is a security option that it's a very good one, so you can lean, you can put the bike on the side stand in case of the emergency. This was all, guys. I mentioned 4 good points of having a center stand. I hope that you enjoyed. I also showed you how to put the bike on a center stand and how to put it off. I hope that you enjoyed. I hope that some of you may find this video useful, and please do me a favor and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and till the next one.